Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are reviewing a medium/large size ice maker. So come on, let's show you what you get and how it works. Okay, so this one has a couple more options. You can select your ice cube size, large or small. It lets you know when the ice is full. It lets you know when you need to add water. You have your on and off and clean mode. Make sure you take off all the tape that you see around it. This one might be a little tough to get the tape off, so there's going to be this piece and a piece inside. You're going to have a piece of tape here and a piece of tape here. So it doesn't say, but I recommend putting the water level somewhere around right here. I wouldn't add too much water. That way, when the ice tray is down, and actually, you know what it might say? Yeah, so here it says. So the tray has a max line. Don't fill the water past this max line. So basically, when you put water in, don't let it overflow onto the tray. Have it right under the tray. This is what it looks like. Now, this is going to be a little tough, and this is something a lot of people don't see, but there's a piece of tape inside here. Reach inside and get that tape. I recommend using maybe a little knife in the corner to peel it up, and then reach your hand in and pull it out. I find the easiest way is to go in through the corner here, push up the corner, and then reach your finger in and pull it out. Actually, guys, I just found something pretty interesting. You can pop this up so you can get easy access. That's actually pretty nice, especially for cleaning. Very smart of the company for doing it that way. I thought it was a little hard reaching in there. Very nice. This is what it looks from the side. Obviously, it needs a little cleaning from factory. This one does have an open bay, so you can take this off and you can access it if you have to. Here's the drain plug. You would twist it and pull out, and this will allow all the water to drain out, but only pull this plug when you're ready to drain it completely, because water will instantly come pouring out. Again, everyone, I recommend let it run through for a while. So basically, let the ice cubes go and come through, and then put them in your sink or somewhere. I don't recommend using the ice cubes right away, just because everything's new from factory. You never know what's in the line or dirt or anything. So I recommend running a few ice batches through, putting them down to drink, getting fresh water, and then go from there. We're selecting size large, and we're gonna see how long it takes. Remember, when you first get this, if it's been upside down, leave it stand for about 2-3 hours upright before you start using it. That way the refrigerating fluid can move around and settle instead of being upside down, and that will help prolong it. Alright guys, so we have it selected under large for the ice cubes. Now obviously I wouldn't be touching the ice cubes if we were going to be actually eating them or using them in our drinks, but because this is our stage 1 of cleaning the insides, this is what they look like. Overall, it's very quick, so you don't have to waste a lot of time. I'm very happy, and I love that you can just remove the tray. Very nice. Very, very nice. This one is definitely in my top, I would say, probably top 5 ice makers I've ever reviewed.